Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bypass your password in Windows 10 in case you forget it. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to want to start to power up your computer, and then you're going to wait for either the Windows logo or the little twirl thing that I have here that's going spin. You're going to wait, and then you're going to want to press it and then force it to shut down. And then you're going to want to boot it up again. And then wait for the Windows or the spin thing to go on. And then you're going to want to hold down the power button again and until it shuts down. Just like that. And then wait a few seconds. And then power back on, and from here it should say that it's preparing automatic repair, which it is. And then you wait for the diagnosis and everything like that. I just skipped this. Don't think you guys need to look at that. And then you're going to see this. So automatic repair, you're going to want to hit advanced options. And then you're going to go down to troubleshoot. And then advanced options again, and then system image recovery. Here you're gonna see this. You're going to just want to cancel this, and then you're gonna want to hit select system image, and then here you're gonna want to go to advanced, and then install a driver, and then okay, and then here. So I have all my information, all my Windows files on my system C. You might have a D, really depends wherever you put it. And then you go all the way down to Windows, past it. And there you go. And then we're going to go all the way to System 32. There it is. And then we're going to want to go and find util man. UTIL man. Just give me a second here. Adjust. Let's find it. There it is. So you're going to want to right click and then hit rename and then put 1. Oh, sorry. You should actually copy it first and then hit 1, or you can put anything beside it. Doesn't really matter. Oh, gotta do that again. Hit 1. Don't know why it's not doing that for me. Give it a second. So I figured out that I just have to hit refresh. So now you're going to want to find command and then just do util man. And then right here you're just going to see no. Up, and then I just gotta hit refresh again, and then it'll be in the util man. And there you go. Command prompt is in util man. That's all you have to do. You just have to click refresh, and then you can cancel this, and then just continue to Windows 10. We're gonna let this load. just as if it's doing a normal startup. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we're going to want to go past this main page. And then you're going to want to go to the, when it loads, you're going to want to go to the right hand corner and hit the middle one between the Wi-Fi and the power. And then command prompt is going to show up, which is perfect. And then you're going to write who am I, and then it'll tell you the authority in the system, which is perfect, which is the most powerful one. You're going to want to type in net user, and all the users that are in the computer will show up, and the administrator is Patrick, which is correct. And there's a default account and a guest. So now you're going to want to write a net user, and then Patrick, and then a star. That is very important. That is the most important thing about this whole thing. That's the only way it will work, is if you put the star, which would be shift and 8. Now you're going to want to type in a password. Any password you can think of that will be easy for you to remember. I'm just going to do something simple, so here we go. It's just going to be, give me 1 second. Okay, and then here you're just going to confirm it, and then that's it. And then you'll be let through to your Windows, and you will be good. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and this is How To Tech Tips. Enjoy.